Don't leave your duo behind like that.
Alright, I won't. Alright, see, so like, you see what we have here? Like they want me to go support.
But they just don't know.
Just say no.
Why would I?
Yeah, I'm not going support, guys. Sorry. Good luck, have fun.
I got this. Ready? I don't mind solo healing, but I had to use a controller, so it's gonna be kind of hard. I got it. Don't worry, guys. I got you.
We are warriors. No matter what
Aw.
worlds we come from. Do not lose sight of that.
And 9 times out of 10 that works. Usually it gets one person as well to support, but stubborn. I'm gonna
Yeah,
speed
so
you
we have,
guys
like-
out.
This is definitely like a pig game. Just
You're
gotta-
right. It doesn't
gotta
work
deadlift
against a
it.
competent team, but we can try.
There's somebody who needs approach this side.
Strong together. I'm hurt. Thanks so much.
Reloading. I'm gonna hit a blind 1, 2, 3. Hit Bucky on the right. Punisher's on the right. Oh, Pupper Mag. Someone's on our left side. They may be coming top. Let's just blinded too. Behind you is Star-Lord. Punisher.
Oh, dude.
Reloading.
Oh, dude, nice.
Oh! Goodbye.
Damn. Number of piglets be dynamic? That is a good question. That's a good. I don't even know myself. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't think
Bubble.
I know that one. It could be.
I have Cloak all ready to go.
Yeah, I could combo with you. Just let me know.
Not even the pig lord knows that.
I feel like I need to rip it for us to walk out here. Do you have a bubble, Magneto? Oh, never mind. I'm blinding their mag. The worst behind you guys.
Yeah! Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah.